to the Quick Start Guide for the RF140 data logger. In this video, we'll go over how to pair the RF140 to a PC so it can be used with the MadgeTech 4 software. The RF140 connects to desktops and laptops via 2.4 GHz Bluetooth, and it's as simple as pairing a PC to a set of wireless headphones or any other Bluetooth peripheral. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure your computer's Bluetooth is enabled and is searching for nearby devices to connect to. If the RF140 doesn't appear on the available Bluetooth devices list on the PC immediately, use the included magnet or your own to trigger the data logger's Bluetooth by waving it near the bottom of the logger until the red light flashes. This initial Bluetooth setup only needs to be done one time, and every other pairing afterwards will happen automatically when the RF140 is within range of the PC. With the RF140 now connected to the PC, open the MadgeTech 4 software, and after a moment, the RF140 will appear in the Connected Devices panel. From here, you can set up the RF140's properties, start data logging sessions, and download the collected data just like you would any other MadgeTech data logger. If you have any questions about the RF140 or want to learn more about the MadgeTech 4 software, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.